Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate correlation. We're going to do this in Google Sheets, and I'll walk you through it in a simple, clear way so you can follow along easily, even if you are new to spreadsheets or statistics. First, open Google Sheets and start with a blank spreadsheet. This will give you a clean space to enter your data and calculate the result without distractions. Correlation is used to measure the relationship between two sets of values, often called X and Y. In simple terms, it helps you see whether one set tends to increase when the other increases, decrease when the other decreases, or if T here is little connection between them. Once your sheet is open, create values for X and Y. You can place your X values in one column and your Y values in the next column. For example, put X in column A and Y in column B. Make sure each X value lines up with its matching Y value in the same row. Because correlation compares pairs of data, keeping your data organized is important here, since even a small mismatch can affect the result. After entering the values, sum the values of X and Y. This can help you quickly review your dataset and confirm that everything has been entered correctly. You can place the totals below each column to keep your sheet tidy and easy to read, while the correlation formula itself does not require you to manually use those sums. Checking totals is still a useful habit when working with spreadsheet data. Now it's time to calculate the correlation. Click on an empty cell where you want the result to appear and enter the correlation formula. Type is equals to CORREL open bracket array 1, array 2 closed bracket. For example, if your X values are in cells A2 through A10 and your Y values are in cells B2 through B10, you would enter is equals to CORREL open bracket A2. A10, B2, B10 closed bracket. Then press enter. Google Sheets will return a number between -1 and +1. A value close to +1 means a strong positive relationship. A value close to -1 means a strong negative relationship. And a value near 0 suggests little to no linear relationship. This makes it a quick and helpful tool for analyzing data patterns. Just make sure both ranges are the same size and contain only numeric values. Otherwise, the formula may not work as expected. And that's how to calculate correlation in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.